Okay, so this is when you open the app, you'll see your digital coupons. Um, you can also do this on a laptop or desktop. Sometimes it's better to look at your digital coupons on a laptop or desktop because you get more information. But for this purpose, we're going to start with on the app. The best way to clip digital coupons is to go to View All, then Filters, then Sort up at the top there, then click Newest, then click Apply. You will have to apply this filter each time, but it pays off. Now, this is the biggest key piece of advice I'm going to give you on Publix couponing. Clip every single digital coupon. It's a task. There is no clip all button, but it will benefit you. I don't even have digital coupons to show you how to clip them because I go in and I clip every single digital coupon. I check my digital coupons at least every other day. Some people check them every morning while they're sipping their coffee. I check my digital coupons when I'm standing in line at Publix. I check which are newest. Most frequently, new digital coupons come out on Sundays, and I've noticed Wednesday and Thursdays. So if you can only check your digital coupons one day a week, I would say Sunday. But try to check them several times throughout the week and go in and clip every single new digital coupon. Sort by newest, like I just showed you, and clip the newest coupons and keep up with it, and it'll be very easy. Okay, so there's one that I didn't clip this morning. So you just have to tap on that little square and it'll clip the coupon for you. And you can go through and just do this to every single coupon. When you're searching for a digital coupon, use the filter by keyword here, because that is easier than searching up at the top here. That shows you all of the sales and everything, brings up products. You don't want to mess with that up top. If you're searching for a digital coupon, use the filter by keyword. To get to this filter by keyword, you have to click that View All button. So, very important. All right, step 2 of digital coupons. If you click on the coupon, it opens the coupon. If you scroll down, of course it's not going to do this, but on most digital coupons, if you scroll down, it will tell you what products that digital coupon is good on. Why isn't it doing it in this app? This coupon right here is called a threshold coupon. It is spend a certain amount of money and you get a certain amount of money off. Normally, these threshold coupons stack with other coupons in the app, but this is the only type of coupon that stacks with other coupons in the app, and it is very important to clip these threshold coupons because they also stack with the BOGO deals, which you will find out more about later. But they're big savings, these threshold coupons. So definitely clip a threshold coupon if you see them in the app. If you clip no other coupons, threshold coupons are the coupons you want to clip, but you definitely want to go through. I do not have children. I do not have grandchildren, but I still clip that Huggies coupon when it comes out. It's just, I clip every single digital coupon. All right. So you never know when there's going to be a moneymaker deal or an item will be free and you can use that digital coupon for it. If you don't clip your digital coupon, that digital coupon can go away. Doesn't always happen, but it's so frustrating when then there's a sale and everybody's getting it and you don't have the digital coupon because you didn't clip it. They tend to go away. What happens is the manufacturer offers a certain number of savings to Publix. They'll say, we'll send you a digital coupon for your app users for $5,000. Once that digital coupon has been clipped for $5,000 in products, you'll have to remove the digital coupon from your app. So then Publix removes the digital coupon after so many people have clipped it. And I'm sure it's more than $5,000. I'm just giving an example. So, or they'll say 200 members. So Publix does a lot of free digital coupons. So you get a free product. So the manufacturer will say, we want to share this new product that we just put out for our drink to the first 500 customers that redeem it. So the first 500 people that clip that digital coupon, it goes away after they have clipped it. So that's why it's important to check your digital coupons often, and that's why it's important to clip every single digital coupon, because you will miss out on deals. It's not that dramatic with the regular like threshold coupons. They stay available for like a week or so to clip. But the free product coupons go very, very fast. Most of them normally don't last longer than a day. And we also post them on my Publix Coupon Buddy Facebook page. We post when a coupon comes out most of the time, especially if it's a free coupon, on my Publix likes page. Don't look for it in my group. Look for it on my Publix public likes page. It is different. When you joined my Facebook group, I asked you to go like it. That page, see, I post everything to that page. And then I share it into the group, but sometimes it gets lost in the group or it won't show up in your feed. So if you go and like that public page, and I will put the link, of course, at the top of the beginner's guide, then you will get that information more readily. Okay, so this is your digital account, and you have clipped all your coupons, and you now have a $5 off 20 coupon for signing up for Publix Digitals. So now you're going to go to the store and use your digital coupon. You can pick a deal from our best deals using a digital coupon. And how you go and use this digital coupon is you put your phone number in on the ATM pin pad that is associated with your account. And once you put your phone number in, the coupons deduct when the cashier hits the total key. So let's see, what else can we go over? I'm going to go to Publix and show you how to put your phone number into the keypad and how the digital coupons come off. Also, I will say, if you have a digital coupon that does not come off, take your phone up to customer service and explain to them that you had a digital coupon that was clipped. Here's the product. Show them your receipt. Show them that it didn't come off, and they will reimburse you. If they don't reimburse you, just return the product. It's not that big of a deal. I know it makes people nervous in the beginning, but trust me, I have been to customer service many, many times and returned products or had a digital coupon that didn't come off. They've seen it 100 times that day, I promise you. Okay, so we're going to head to Publix now and use our digital coupons.